Had a problem with my CR Touch. The X and Y axis work okay, and the Z will go up, but when you're auto homing, it won't go down. The CR Touch activates the probe, but it seems to have a problem. I did some research into possible causes and found it could be an internal problem with the CR Touch, so I took that apart, but that looked okay. Not plugged into the motherboard properly, so I opened up the printer and that all looked okay. And the last thing was a broken wire to the CR Touch. So I did a circuit test at each end of the CR Touch cable. Found that one of the wires is broken somewhere in the last 3 inches near the hot end. The break only showed up when the cable moved in a certain way, so you have to do some fairly good checking. Ordered a new cable. Now this needs a JSP 5-pin connector with a 1.25mm pitch. Found this on AliExpress, and this looks purpose-built for the touches. The link's below. In the meantime, while waiting for the new part to arrive, I replaced a section of the wire near the hot end and soldered that in. Gave it a test, and it's all working again with the Z-axis going up and down, and it's all homing okay. Hope this helps you if you have the problem as well.